That dreaded check engine light, we've all seen it. The question is, do you head straight to a mechanic and pay $100 just for a diagnosis, or do you plug in your own OBD2 scanner and figure it out yourself? In 2025, OBD2 scanners are more advanced than ever. They're faster, smarter, connect to your phone, and even suggest fixes. We tested 5 of the best OBD2 scanners of 2025 to see which ones are actually worth keeping in your glove box or garage. First up, the OBDLink MX+. It's small, powerful, and works with just about everything: iPhone, Android, even Windows laptops. What sets it apart is that it doesn't just stop at check engine codes, it also digs into ABS, SRS, and even transmission data on many cars. We noticed right away how fast and stable the connection was. No lag, no dropped links, just clean data flowing into the app. And it's detailed enough that you don't have to keep Googling random codes. Even better, you can leave it plugged in without worrying about draining your battery. This is the kind of scanner that suits almost anyone, whether you're a weekend DIYer who likes to clear codes yourself, or just someone who wants peace of mind before heading to the shop. The BlueDriver Pro takes the app-based approach and makes it smarter. Not only does it read codes and pull live data, but it also gives you verified fixes for thousands of issues. We plugged it into a car with a misfire code, and instead of just spitting out P0301, it showed the common fixes for that specific make and model: spark plugs, ignition coils, injectors, all laid out clearly. That kind of guidance is priceless. This is a great fit if you're someone who doesn't just want to know what's wrong, but also wants a clear idea of how to fix it. It really feels like having a mechanic riding shotgun on your phone. The ANCEL BD310 is one of the most fun scanners we have tested because it's not just a scanner. You can use it wired, over Bluetooth, or even in HUD mode to project live data like RPMs and coolant temp onto your windshield. We set it up on an older car and suddenly it felt like driving something futuristic with live data floating in front of us. As a scanner, it handled check engine codes and live data reliably, and switching to app mode gave us even more flexibility. This one's perfect for the gadget lovers, people who want their tools to feel modern, a little flashy, and packed with versatility. The Innova 6100P is more than just a code reader. Yes, it handles ABS, SRS, and transmission codes, but it also throws in handy features like oil reset and even a battery and alternator test. We gave it a try after swapping a battery, and sure enough, it confirmed the alternator was charging properly. The menu system is straightforward, the live data graphs are easy to follow, and it never felt intimidating. This is the scanner for the DIY car owner who likes to handle their own oil changes, battery replacements, or troubleshoot small issues before calling a mechanic. The Bosch OBD1350. Pro grade feels like it came straight out of a mechanic's shop. It's a rugged handheld unit, and it goes deeper than most consumer scanners. You can pull enhanced powertrain codes, live ABS data, and even reset brakes. When we hooked it up, the speed and detail stood out. It was pulling real-time ABS wheel speed data instantly, the kind of stuff you usually only see on shop-grade tools. And it's built tough, with a rubberized shell that can handle life in a messy garage. This one makes sense if you're the kind of person who takes car work seriously. It's for the home mechanic who wants pro-level detail without spending thousands on dealership equipment. Alright, that wraps up our list of the best OBD2 scanners in 2025. Whether you're a DIYer, a weekend warrior, or a pro mechanic, there's definitely a scanner here that fits your needs. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next auto tech breakdown. Also, don't forget to check out the description for all the links.